If your Shark vacuum has essentially lost one of its brushes, or you can see mine's really damaged, these are replaceable. I'll put a link in the description as to where you can buy more, but you can remove this by unscrewing this screw right here and replacing this brush assembly. So unscrewing this requires a T9 Torx. We're just gonna pop that in there and we're just gonna gently unscrew this screw. Now we can pop this out. There is a little metal clip in there. You want to save that. So I'll pop that out with my screwdriver. So there's the clip. Don't lose that. Here are our new brushes. And again, I'll put a link in the description where you can buy these, as well as a Torx T9 if you don't have one. So we'll take one of these out. It doesn't matter how you put it on because these things just do spin. So I'm gonna put my little retainer clip back in there. Now I will mount it. Let's see, slide this guy down in there. Once you got your metal clip in there, now we are gonna reverse the process, again using our T9 Torx. Drop that screw in there, and now we will, this is all plastic, so just be careful of how tight you go. You just want it to be snug. That's it. That's all there is to it. You can now put this thing on the floor and get it back into action. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.